Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between see and see. It's very common for English language learners to get confused how to spell or use these words correctly, since they are homophones and sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. See, spelled S-E-E, is a verb. To see means to perceive with the eyes or look at. Example, do you see the rabbit over there? To see someone or something can also mean to visit or attend as a spectator. Example, I see my grandparents every Sunday. To see can also mean to understand or perceive the meaning or importance of something. Example, I see what you mean. Let's look at some more examples of see in a sentence. I want to see the new Marvel movie next weekend. Are you going to see Shirley on Sunday? Do you see my point? I can't see well without my glasses. Now let's review the word see, spelled S-E-A. Sea is a noun. A sea is a great body of salt water that covers much of the earth. Let's look at some examples. The sea was calm after the storm. The large boat was lost at sea. Many sea creatures live in the ocean. Jane loves to swim in the sea. Now let's look at some mixed examples using both see and see. You can see the sea from our apartment. I'm seeing Dave on Friday. We're going for a walk by the sea. There is also a popular children's rhyme that uses both of these homophones. A sailor went to sea to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea. Now it's your turn to practice. Write sentences using see and see in the comment section of this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching!